In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track task deadlines in Odoo Project. To get started, open the Project app from your Odoo dashboard. This is where you can manage project workflows, monitor task progress, and keep important timelines organized in one place. Once you're inside the Project app, select the project you want to manage. Choosing the correct project first is important because deadlines are tied to individual tasks within that specific project. After opening the project, go into the Tasks section. This area displays all the tasks related to the project and gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done. From there, click the task you want to track. Opening the task record allows you to review its details and make sure its timeline is accurate. Inside the task, locate the deadline field. This is the key field you'll use to track when the task is expected to be completed. Click on the deadline field and select the appropriate due date. Try to choose a date that reflects the actual target for completion, since this helps keep the project realistic and easier to monitor over time. While you're in the task, make sure the correct team member is selected in the Assignees field. This is an important part of deadline tracking, because a due date is much more useful when the task is clearly assigned to the person responsible for completing it. Keeping both the deadline and assignee accurate helps avoid confusion and improves accountability across the team. Once you've updated the task, return to the Tasks view to review deadlines across your project. This gives you a broader picture of upcoming work and helps you quickly spot tasks that may need attention. It's especially useful when you're checking whether multiple deadlines are approaching at the same time. To get another perspective, switch to the Calendar view. This view helps you track tasks based on their scheduled dates in a more visual format. If you're managing several tasks at once, the calendar can make it easier to understand timing, workload distribution, and deadline overlap. As work progresses, remember to update the deadline whenever the task's due date changes. Keeping deadlines current is essential for maintaining an accurate project schedule and making sure your team is working from the latest information. By following this process regularly, you can keep your Odoo project organized, improve deadline visibility, and stay on top of task delivery more effectively. Thanks for watching.